Hi and welcome. If you're a Lightroom user and a subscriber to Creative Cloud, then you should be aware of the latest update to Lightroom 7.4, and that was launched in late June 2018. Now there's nothing massive in this update, but there are still some cool additions nevertheless. Now here are some of my favourites. Now my name is Ken Fisher and this is Live Link Training. Okay, let's start in the Develop module and we'll have a look at some updates to the Presets panel. Now here we can see that I've just got the basic presets in this one, but as you add and add more and more presets, the panel does get a little bit unwieldy, that you're scrolling up and down trying to find the preset that you need. Now this new addition is, if we go and click the plus icon for the Add New Presets, the little flyout menu now gives us a Manage Presets. And if we click on that, we get a dialog box. And now we see every one that's in this list is in this Manage Presets box. And everyone that's got a tick in means that it's visible and it's available in the Presets panel. So I might want to say, okay, well I'll turn off, say, the top three. I don't want them. And I can click the Save button and they disappear. And then if I want them back, I can go back to Manage Presets and I can put them back on again and click Save. And then there they are, they reappear. Now when I first saw this, I thought, well, if I don't want any presets, they're probably no good, or I don't use them, so I can remove them, I can delete them. But I'm thinking this through, I thought, wait a minute, this idea's got some legs. What if I change my mind? What if I don't use a particular set for a while and I get rid of them? Then I get a project and think, hey, I've got some presets for this project. Oh no, I don't. I deleted them. Well, okay, if I've backed them up, I've then got to go and find them and reinstall them and go through all that malarkey. Well, this way, I can turn them off. So it makes management of my presets panel much simpler, but they're there in the future if I need them. I think that's definitely 1-0 to Adobe. So remember this new feature. No need to delete presets. Just switch them off if you don't use them and then switch them back on again when you need them. Simple, eh? Okay, next we've basically got the same over on the right hand side in the profile section. Now if you don't have a profile section, which is here, then what it means is you haven't updated to the last version of Lightroom before this one. So quickly nip into the Adobe Creative Cloud and hit that Update button. Then let's open up the Profile section. Just click on this little grid and you can see here we've got some profiles. Now as profiles increase in popularity, we'll see the same kind of deal as with presets. Too many and management of them eventually might get to be a problem. So as with presets, we can turn them off if we don't use them. So I can go to the favourites and we'll say, no, we'll start with camera matching. And I'll say, well, I don't use this that much, so I'll go to Manage Profiles and I can turn them off. And when I click Save, you'll see they disappear. And if I decide, oh, no, just a minute, I could do with them. So we're going again, we just open up a header, right click, Manage Profiles, and we bring them back. Camera matching, click Save, and there they are. They come back. So another useful new addition to both presets and profiles is the ability to hide them or reveal them to ease the burden of your preset and profile management. Is that not cool? Now another small but significant change has been to presets. Now if we look here with the profiles, if I hover over a certain profile thumbnail, it updates the actual loop image itself. So here I've got a black and white one, here I've got a camera standard one. But in the past, with presets, that's only happened in this little window here, the navigator. Well now that's changed. If I hover over a preset, it actually shows in loop view. Now you either love it or you hate it. It can be quite processor intensive, so if you've got a slower computer you may want to switch it off. And you can. So if you don't like it, all you've got to do is go to the Edit menu on Windows and down to Preferences, or if you're on a Mac, it'll be in the Lightroom menu and Preferences. And then scoot over to your Performance tab. And then down here, you've got a little, in your Develop area, you've got a little tick box called Enable Hover Preview of Presets in Loop. And if you just click to turn that off and click OK, now you're back to how it used to be. And you're only updating the navigator. Okay, well, I'm going to turn that back on because I actually like it and I'll forget about it if I don't. Right, okay, enable and click OK. So, small but significant, but I like it. Okay, let's have a quick recap. New feature on both presets and profiles is the ability to hide or reveal them. Much better than removing them. Now the Loop View Preview now updates when you hover over a preset. And if you don't like it, you can turn the feature off. Well, that's it for now. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, please share my video around. On YouTube, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment under the video. Even better, click that subscribe button for me. It does help me to reach more viewers with my videos, and that means I can produce more free content. If you catch up with me on Facebook, please like my page, Live Link Training, and follow along. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.